The Noise Halo to Smartwatch is designed for effortless navigation with its rotatable axe-cut bezel, blending precision with style. It features customized transition effects, enhancing the user experience with dynamic, smooth animations. Equipped with a Noise Health Suite, it helps you track key health metrics like heart rate, SpO2, and calories burned, keeping you focused on your fitness goals. Stay connected seamlessly with TrueSync Bluetooth calling, ensuring clear conversations on the go. The 1.43-inch AMOLED display offers stunning visuals with sharp clarity, making interactions more immersive. Powered by a stainless steel build, it provides a premium feel while maintaining durability. With up to 7 days of battery life, the Halo 2 ensures uninterrupted usage throughout the week. The IP67 water resistance protects it from splashes and dust, making it a reliable companion for daily adventures. Additionally, it supports gesture controls, notifications, activity tracking, and alarm clock functionality, enhancing convenience and productivity. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.